Hi and welcome to the channel. Financial literacy is something that is very close to my heart. Years ago, I came across The Millionaire Next Door by Drs. Stanley and Co. The book highlighted some fascinating habits and mindsets of millionaires who live a humble life, far from the projections of Hollywood glitz and glamour. Fast forward 20 years later, The Next Millionaire Next Door by Dr. Stanley and his daughter, Dr. Fallaw, reinforces some of these enduring principles of wealth building, along with applications to today's fast-paced world. We will explore these principles with a short story of Rio and Sarah as they embark on their journey of becoming the next millionaire next door. Rio and Sarah are young adults who just recently graduated from their respective university courses. Rio works as a web designer, while Sarah works as an English teacher at a local primary school. They both earn a decent wage. Rio and Sarah decided to chart their path to wealth early. Firstly, they focused on increasing their income via a side hustle. Rio started the ball rolling by doing some freelancing web design jobs for private clients. Sarah, on the other hand, would help Rio proofread some of the websites that he created. In addition to increasing their income, they believe that their side hustle may one day become their ticket to owning their own business. Rio and Sarah are also disciplined savers. Initially, they started by saving at least 15% of their realized income as an emergency fund. The rest was used to pay off other expenses. The principle of saving their income before spending it is known as paying yourself first. In addition, if they earn more than their normal income, the extra money was plowed into their savings rather than being spent, hence preventing lifestyle creep. Their emergency savings fund started to look very healthy. One day, Rio and Sarah read about the Financial Independence Retire Early movement with the acronym FIRE. They liked the idea of working for the next 15 years while putting away 60% of their earned income to income-generating assets. If all worked out, they would then have the option of retiring by their late 30s or early 40s and live off their investment returns. So Rio and Sarah decided to take on the responsibility of learning about investing rather than relying on the advice of financial advisors. They read and explored courses on the stock market and real estate while creating an automated monthly plan of investing. They set aside time monthly to review and manage their finances with the intention of continued improvements and refinement. In addition, Rio and Sarah were also prudent spenders. They focused on practicality and functionality in any purchase. For example, they bought a comfortable home close to Sarah's workplace. They saw no need to overstretch their finances by buying a large home and having a big mortgage. For a car, they were happy to drive their pre-owned Toyota and didn't see the need to own a branded car model. Critically, they ignored the projections of marketers, social media, and friends when considering their purchases. Keeping up with the Joneses was not important. Rather, they stayed focused and had their eyes set on their bigger goals. Many years later, Rio and Sarah are happily married with 2 children. The family discusses financial matters openly. Rio and Sarah continue to practice a comfortable yet prudent lifestyle, hence leading by example. They prioritize experiences such as spending time with their children and going on family holidays, as opposed to materialistic comforts. They now have a successful web designing business that they carry out from home and have the option to work part-time. Critically, Rio and Sarah are confident that the children will be well equipped to pursue their journey of financial independence one day, as the knowledge has been passed on. It is heartwarming to know that one doesn't need to have a very high income or experience an unexpected windfall to become wealthy. What it takes is to focus on generating more income, have a disciplined plan to save, and finally invest wisely. Of course, try to ignore the Joneses as well. Critically, realize that wealth isn't about the accumulation of shiny things or money itself. It should be defined by the freedom to choose how you wish to lead your life and how you want to spend your time. The accumulation of shiny and materialistic comforts are ultimately soulless and will leave one feeling empty on the inside. Whether it is the bonds and memories that you build with your loved ones that truly makes one rich, wealthy, and wholesome. So no matter where you are in life, may some of these principles lead you to a prosperous future. Thank you for watching, and if you found value, please subscribe to the channel and enjoy an empowered life.